Alright guys, right behind me is old Galveston's Santa Fe Union Station. That's for people who would take, hey, what's up, dude? That's for people who would take this Santa Fe Railroad, would end up in Galveston right there. And then right over here is the cruise terminal where you would go if you were taking a cruise. And then right here is the Galveston transit terminal, all the buses that come down here. This is where they come here now. Obviously, a lot of people aren't coming down here for cruises, but right in front of me is the Strand. All right, I'm gonna mask up and we're gonna walk down the Strand. Here, people, loud music that's gonna get me YouTube strikes. All right. Nobody else seems to be wearing them. So we're on the west side of the street, the east side of the street. some of my YouTube fans behind me. People hanging out in the patio, drinking and smoking. People driving golf carts down the road. Got a great artist there. Hello. It's a pretty busy day. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. So there's no doubt it's busy down here. There's shops selling t-shirts and shit.
Oh.
What the fuck was that? Duck tours. Lady tried to scare me and I didn't budge, so she was disappointed. That's why I was like, what the fuck was that? Oh, music. No, music. Music bad for YouTube. Got a metalhead here. Got a dog. Hey, dog. The King's is the place. Haven't had actual food yet, but we'll go in here later. Get some ice cream, some candy. These people enjoying their ice cream. French bulldog. Lots of these Texas historical markers everywhere. This is amazing. I haven't seen so many people. I haven't been down here in a little while, but I haven't seen so many people down here in a long time. The lady at the museum said there was more people down here yesterday, so I could see that. People like to go out on Saturdays and do stuff. I went to the Astros game. You can see that video on my channel now. I'm not gonna. We got a plague doctor over here. That's fitting. So all these people are gonna get the plague for not wearing masks, walking around. There's a giant trumpet. Well, there's a tree in the way. But that trumpet is classic. It's been here. Trumpets on the stand. Restaurant / event space. Upstairs balcony. It's been here forever, as long as I remember. It's been here. Got dudes on skateboards. A little doggy, service dog. Hello. No cell phones allowed inside. That's a chain. It's a national chain. Selling Bluebell in there. I should have live streamed this. This would have been fun. Yes. Very good. It's good that we got this dude in this metal shirt walking in front of me the whole time. I don't know what his shirt is. But, you know, this still makes it a heavy metal travel show, right? When you're just staring at the back of somebody wearing a metal shirt. Just smiling ladies. It's a Juneteenth pocket, that's very important. End of slavery in Texas. We got a nice mural. This is a really nice mural about the abolishment of slavery. General orders number 1, absolute equality. Well, unfortunately, we still don't have that absolute equality. Maybe one day, hopefully. Harriet Tubman should be on the $20 bill. Trump canceled that because of course Trump canceled it. Very nice. Get a horse-drawn carriage ride. Some more. All right, that used to be Colonel Bubby's. It was an Army surplus store. That was super awesome. I used to love coming to Galveston and going there. You know what? There was a... I like your shirt. Thank you. First National Bake of Galveston. That's the Galveston Arts Center. See all these people eating and drinking and having a good time. Toy store. Arcade games. Christmas store. Yaga Mobile Threads. It's been here since 1986. This has been a Galveston institution. I remember when they opened. And again, it might be a chain, but it's something really known in Galveston. Buy some flags and signs. A bunch of cool stuff. I just got a alert. It's time for my weekly vaccination checkup. Let's see. So we're getting towards the end of where all the stuff is down here. Get this kid driving. There's a kid driving. Kid driving a golf cart. All right. Hubcap Grill. Is that the same one that's in Houston? So that's where I'm gonna eat. close to one in downtown. He's got one in the Heights. It's got to be the same guy. You got a couple more things, a couple more shops over here, but as you can see, it's a lot more died down here. Hubcap is amazing. Try our cheesy Cheeto burger. Yep, same place. Here's the bar, here's the restaurant. Here we have an absinthe fountain. And the employees are not wearing masks. And most of the customers aren't wearing masks. It's kind of ridiculous. Alright, so these are the onion rings. I thought they'd be beer battered or something. I guess they're panko crusted. This is the bacon cheeseburger. Looks pretty good. There's no condiments. There's some ketchup on the table. I need some mustard. This is $16.71. All right, so this burger, it didn't come with anything, so I had to ask for some mustard. I lathered it up in mustard, and it's it's pretty good. Fresh ingredients. Onion. It's pretty good. I prefer more of a batter type onion ring. Well, whatever. All right, the Hubcap Grill. It was good. It was expensive, but it's kind of what you expect. You're down in a tourist area. You're gonna pay tourist prices, but it's good quality. No one in there is wearing masks. The lady taking the order, she was kind. She called me sweetheart and hun. She was visibly ill, which is kind of disconcerting. Could have just been allergies, you know. I know my allergies have been non-existent wearing the mask. It really helps. So, thank you. Pedestrian crossing, dangerous. That's another thing, people are out partying, having a good time, they're drinking, they're not paying attention. We gotta be careful walking around out here. So yeah, we walked up the Strand. I'm not gonna walk up the other side, but I'm gonna see if I can find something else. But so that's it for this video. I'm gonna end it with that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so, give this video a like, leave a comment. What'd you think about my little walk up the Strand and lunch at Hubcap Grill? Would you pay that much for that burger and onion rings? Let me know. If you saw this and you're not subscribed, that's weird, but go ahead and subscribe, please. I go all over the place and make videos of places you can go and let you know what you can do to be safe. So until next time, remember to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures.